Hey there YouTube, this is, bear with me, this is my first video, but I have a 2008 Jeep Commander here with a 3.7 liter V6. I just rebuilt this 100%, nothing left behind except for some of the accessory stuff, but so I started up and it was running really good and never left me stranded. Been running it for about a month now, put about, I don't know, 2,500 miles on it since the rebuild. Going down the road and all of a sudden it just completely shit out. I was actually at a stoplight and it just completely went down to nothing. And I couldn't get it started again. It started over a few times, then it wouldn't stay running by itself. And then eventually, after about 4 or 5 times of that, it wouldn't do anything. All the accessories would come on, your AC and everything. But when you turn the key and it wouldn't do anything, there wasn't no click, nothing. And I searched everywhere, high and low, on YouTube and called, and there's various things of PCM or key fob, all that good stuff. It was acting really weird, like I couldn't even get it in neutral. I had to press the button in the center console, if you know about that. If not, look it up, it's pretty easy. And to get it to tow it home. And I went through and I cleaned all the connections, ground, positive, all over the engine, everywhere, and didn't really seem to make a difference. And last time it did this, right when I started it, I thought it was the gaskets on the intake here on the back side. But what it ended up really being is on the back side of this intake. I don't know if you can see in there. Right in the center of the screen, on the back side of this intake, this big box looking thing, is your throttle plate. And on this particular model, it's all one inclusive piece with your hvac or idler control valve and your throttle position sensor and all that. It's all in one. Well, all I did was take this off. You unscrew this hose clamp here. There's a sensor on the back side that you have to unplug or just pull out. And then there's 2 screws, one right here, one right here. Those are Torx bits on this one. And then there's a hose clamp on the back side, which is about right there that you have to undo. And then you wiggle it straight forward towards you. And then you go to your right side and pull back a little bit and it comes right out. Just don't force it, it doesn't pop right out of there. Then you just pull your connection off real easy on the throttle control. And the one thing you'll have to do first is there's a plastic black connector that keeps the connector from actually coming out completely. It's actually kind of hidden, so make sure you pop that out first or you'll never get that thing off. Once you get that up, just kind of wiggle it out real nice and make sure those prongs aren't corroded. Mine looked pretty fine, but I just put a little bit of WD-40 on it, plugged it back in, and now the thing runs really smooth. No problems. So if you're having some idle problems or other things like that, clean up your grounds and check that connection right there, because that apparently controls a lot of stuff, including your shifting.